where we breathe every day morning, we breathe a fresh air. When I get up, you feel so nice. When I do yoga here, when I do my breathing exercises, when I open my eyes, oh, I see all greenery around me. Who gets that?
When we came here during COVID, we literally went to the close by shops. Nupur is saying, Amma, this comes in 100 rupees. Means a footwear can come in 100 rupees was never there in our mind when we were living in Bombay, because we had that kind of crowd around us. We had people around us who were doing beyond what we were earning. So we were trying to reach there. And in that rat race, we were not satisfying ourselves, nor we were able to reach them. We were just running. That's all the part was going on. So that is the main difference that I find here. That running stopped completely when I came here.
Namaste, this is Rajan Chowgule. I'm a photojournalist by profession and I work in Mumbai more than 30 years. My last job was with the education industry in Bharati Vidyapeeth School of Photography in Pune.
Hi, my name is Nupur Chowgule. I am his daughter. My name is Sadhana and I'm basically from Pune.
So my life was in a very small room. I spent my entire life, my childhood in Mumbai, in Mulund, the area called Mulund, in a very chawl type life I had. My grandmother was there at that time. So we 5 people used to stay in a small 10 by 12 room. And then slowly we entered industry. Then I moved to Thane after my marriage. So gradually things changes because of my job, various jobs and various promotions and various this thing. I could able to buy, the better area flats and all that. My life was very, very hectic in Mumbai. I mean, I used to travel in Mumbai every day, 135 kilometers on motorcycle. I shot from Dharavi slum to Ambani's bedroom. So you can imagine those level of all sort of shootings I did. I had my 3 shows in Mumbai, and my last show was inaugurated by respected Amitabh Bachchan ji. And so life was good there. But there is something which was pinching me. Kuch na kuch aisa tha jo mujhe, it was not giving me happiness. It was not giving me satisfaction. Well, life satisfaction was not there. The life was too fast. Life was too calculated. Ye karo, wo time pe ye karo, wo time pe ye hona, wo time pe hona. Like it is, the entire day is like completely, minute to minute is like occupied. When I used to go to parties, I was part of the pastry parties because I was chief photographer of Times of India in Bombay Times. But जब भी वो party होती थी, तो मेरा mind, my heart and this thing was in my native place. So that kind of attraction towards village, towards better life, towards peaceful life. Then I started thinking, I have a land in, my ancestor land is there. I belong to this village called Talavli in Guwagar Taluka, in Ratnagiri district.
We used to come to this place quite often. And we always, both of us as a young couple, we dreamt of having something here in this place. And those days the pockets were empty, so couldn't do much. Nearly 25-30 years spent in that. And the whole struggle was there in Mumbai. We, one after another, bedroom went on increasing and we made a bigger house and we thought we are achieving everything. And side by side, I also had some health issues which were chronic. He insisted because he was doing very well in his career. So, and I was a teacher by profession and I had a government job. So he kept insisting, what, you are working for the small pennies, you leave the job. So I was also tempted, and then I waited very wisely for my pension getting connected. The day it was there, I quit my job after 21 years of government job. And all these things like, our dream, our health issue or our life, whatever we were doing through, we thought like we will take a decision of coming and changing the life, whatever we have till now doing. My career began from Goa, where I did my hotel management. Like he said, he did a lot of running around in Bombay, and that paid off to me. And that's how I was able to go to Toronto and have this great experience where I
got the opportunity to do my post-graduation there in culinary. That's how I was working there for the next 5 years or so. So even my husband joined me eventually. And we were pregnant and we decided to come meet my parents here. And we got here and the lockdown happened. All four of us got stuck over here. And Ira was born here. In the next 2 years, we had to live here because of the lockdown. Ira was born here. I saw her growing up in this environment. That sort of made me, I am never going back again.
So actually, when we were in Mumbai, we had our flat. First flat was in Thane. We sold that and we went to Sion. Then from Sion, we sold off the whole property and then we came here. And this was our ancestral property. Buying this big land was not our capacity.
Then finally, when we decided to move here, it was a very difficult thing for me to sell it off everything from Bombay. I mean, my friends said that, what are you doing? You should have something in Bombay, like a city in Bombay. Tera ek to jagah rakh de, because it's a metro city, it's Bombay. I said, what Bombay? I don't need Bombay. No, little I said in this tone. Kya hai Bombay mein? Matlab, this is okay. I have done with Bombay. I traveled in Bombay. I went to best of the best restaurants in Bombay, but I get suffocated there. Literally, I get suffocated means when I entered in Panvel or Bombay area, the air pollution starts really giving me a lot of cough problems and all that. It happens to me. I'm not anymore used to Bombay climate now. So this is how we spent a life, and then we sold a property. And when I came here, there was a first difficult part to acquire your land. 2 years I spent just to build the house according to my visualization and this thing. And finally, this is the picture, what you are seeing now. As far as investment is concerned in the project, it is an emotional investment. So there is not a fixed number, because my passion to move from the city and settle in the rural was a very strong passion. But you know what I did is I started putting whatever I used to get my salary, whatever I used to get my sources, I used to start putting it into this thing.
Would be anywhere around, as far as I can think of it, it would be anywhere around 1 crore. The initial investment, definitely. And the business revenue part, we are making, with the homestay, we are making anywhere around 20 lakhs a year right now. So yeah, it's been a good year. It's been a good year. And this is year 3 for us. We started with 1 room initially. And how it all started was, I used to take a lot of pictures of my daughter exploring this area. And I put it up online, and a lot of people, I take decent pictures because he's a photographer somehow. So a lot of people started watching what I've been posting online, and they started asking me, what is this? Where are you? You were in Canada, all of a sudden you are here now. What's going on with life? And that's how Ira Farms started. We just started. We did what it takes. My mother took care of the kitchen. He took care of hosting the guests. I took care of the social media. We just went at it. He built 2 more rooms for me, put in money in that, and we just started. We opened gates, and here we are. And there are now more verticals to it. Now another vertical that we have started is we do consultancy. We help people who have lands like us to build properties on them, or if they need some consultancy, like from our experiences of what we know, what happened, what should be done, what shouldn't be done. And that is again something that is paying off. Third is products. So now whatever initial investment he did on the farm, that is getting sold. Everything started happening.
Now we are concentrating on neighborhood farmers products also. So
Yeah, we
are helping all the,
are taking,
like a community we are going to work, all the farmers around and their product also. So that will really help them to earn. यहाँ पे shopping करना नहीं पड़ता है कुछ. This shirt I'm wearing for last 6 years, कुछ बदलने की ज़रूरत नहीं, कुछ जाने की ज़रूरत है. I save a lot of money. There is no shopping malls around there, no hotels. मतलब ज़्यादा कपड़ों की डालने की मतलब there is होता ही नहीं कभी, मतलब ऐसे होता ही नहीं फंक्शन की जहाँ पे चलो वेल ड्रेस करके जाना है. तो है वेल ड्रेस तो रखे हुए, वो कितने साल से कबर्ड में यूज़ ही नहीं हो रहे. So the life over here with this simple living, it really very different. There are a lot of expenses which reduces, you know. You don't have to spend money on that. So that's how the life is. And of course, there are ghar ka sabji hota hai. Yeah, you grow yourself some vegetable which is organic. So health-wise also it benefits. So all those financial things and the expenses are very, very less. The kind of taxation we pay for this house is 4,000 rupees in a year. Can you imagine the taxation? The government का जो ये होता है. And Bombay, it is 4,000 per month. That's a vast difference.
So that medical question, which is a very common thing which people ask me whenever they come here. When you come and live here, how do you attend to your medical facilities? I said, there is nothing that is not available here. Like if I have to go where I was living in Thane, I had a very close by big hospital called Jupiter and Bethnagar. But if at all today I have to go from my house where I was living to that two hospitals and there are two signals in between, if I get stuck in those signals, it can be 40 to 45 minutes easily. Where in 45 minutes today also I have a hospital here where I can reach and I can get medication if emergencies come.
In COVID, I got vaccination without any line or something.
Yeah, that was the best part.
Doctor used to call me, "Arey, please come and have vaccination."
Available.
In Bombay, people were struggling for the vaccination. So when we started this project, see, initially when you plan for moving to the rural area, very important is to have your wife's opinion, your wife's consent. When I floated this idea to her, like, you know, this is what I feel, what do you think? She immediately agreed. She only said, मुझे कुछ घर में दो चार चीज़ें होते वो अगर फ्रीज टीवी नॉर्मल जो बॉम्बे के घर में होता वो मिलेगा था मुझे बहुत है तो मुझे बाकी कुछ नहीं चाहिए वॉट एवर सक्सेस वी गॉट वॉट एवर पीसफुल लाइफ आई गॉट बिकॉज ऑफ her opinion, her okay to move from city life to this place. So all those experiences we also got here, but we have decided because we have become so busy with the farm life. We thought like किसकी जरूरत है मतलब है जो अपने कांटेक्ट में आ रहे घर पे हम उनके घर में जा रहे हैं बस otherwise we have our own life, we have our beautiful own life.
So whatever you do in this area, whenever you are in your farm or your small area, whatever you got in your village, gives you as an exercise. Like yesterday, there was suddenly clouds in the sky and we had some fodder for the cow and it was brought and kept in the yard. And the rain was expected. So we had to put it back in place in the shade. So he was there and he went and he literally picked each hay and he helped the other person who is working for us. And after coming after 1.5 hours, he's saying today's workout is done. So that is the way it happens. Like you don't have to go to a gym for that. Tomorrow, if you are in the city, you have to spend a membership of thousands of rupees. And at the end, you in the morning think whether I should get up and go and reach the gym or not. Because I've seen a number of people in my society where I was living spending 1 year's full membership money and then attending for 2-3 days. And the whole year membership is wasted. Nobody goes for the exercise, nobody goes to the gym and does nothing. So it is better here. You get so many options. Today you picked up the grass, tomorrow you did something, you do other kind of muscle exercise, which my daughter, many a times she follows some preachers who are giving yoga exercises and all. So they tell that you have to work on the thigh muscles and then you have to work on your calf muscles and then you have to work on your arm muscles. He said, you don't have to think all this when you are here in the farm. You do different activities and all the things are taken care of. That was never thought by our old generation.
Yes. See, I had a very serious back problem, you know, and
Yeah.
used to get very severely this thing.
In city always used to come.
Yeah, because I used to sit on a computer and my 8 hours, 6 hours on the computer and drive there. But when I started staying here, when I started walking without chappals and this thing, the whole body started changing. I mean, that back problem is gone, absolutely gone.
Right now, what I can see in the social media right now is everybody is trying to preach. ये खाओ तो ये होगा, वो खाओ तो वो होगा. And what are they trying to do? And they're not worried about your health or your goodness. They're worried about making money. So if that part, if you see, you can see that it is not needed here. You don't get worried about that. You are here, you are happy, doing your own things at your own cost, on your own risk, and on your own wish. Whenever I want, I do. Tomorrow, I don't want to do anything, I'll lie down in the bed for the whole day. Nobody restricting me. Yeah.
This is real life, man. This is something everybody should live. ये लाइफ जीना चाहिए सब लोग. And ये लाइफ कैसे जीना है ये मैंने प्लान किया है. Why don't you plan? I mean, you have done your career. आपने आपका करियर एक लेवल तक किया. अपने आपकी प्रायोरिटीज होती है. हर एक को प्रायोरिटीज होती है. मुझे प्रायोरिटीज थी. But I have planned my life. I have planned well in advance. Start investing right away. A very important part in a life is, every parents wants their kids to be with them. बूढ़ा जब भी आदमी हो जाता है तभी they feel like अपने बच्चे अपने साथ चाहिए. Most of the families have bachas like they are all in America and Canada and they are all alone staying here. But लेकिन एक चीज मुझे यहाँ पे बोलना जरूरी है कि because I moved to farm. If I would have been in a city, my daughter would not have come back from Canada.
Yes, when I got here, I saw how my parents need me. Eventually, they will need me. How I actually needed them for this long time of 5 years when I was away from them. How there were some things about my parents I was embarrassed about. Sadly. But the more I stayed with them, the more I got the opportunity to connect with them as an adult. The more I worked with them, the more I understood the problems that they were facing and what I need to do, how I need to be in that situation, and leaving them away to build a life of my own. Is that a life? Is it? For anybody? I don't think so.
So this is
It's
all
not for me.
this is all because of this farm, which I would like to
It
say
started with
again and again that because we are staying here in a beautiful atmosphere, beautiful surroundings, and when she compared her life in Canada with this, and she's taken a call along with thinking that she should be always with the parents, and that's how everything accumulate, and she's taken a call to come back from Canada, and
Those are
this
all
life has
decisions.
given us
all the reasons.
our daughter back. Farm life has given us our granddaughter with us.
That's life.
That's life.
That's living.
I must thank God for this.